Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. Today I'm making a cranberry pecan cheese log for you. It is so good. In here I have 8 ounces of goat cheese. Why? I love goat cheese, so I made it with goat cheese. You can make it with cream cheese, marscapone cheese. I choose goat cheese. And it's softened, and if it's not soft enough, you just microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds so it's nice and spreadable. To that, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And since cranberries, you can use dried cranberries. I cannot find dried cranberries that don't have sugar, so I'm using fresh cranberries. So I am adding just a couple of drops of maple flavored stevia, just to take some of the bitterness away from the cranberries. In here I have about 50 grams of pecans, however you say it, and 45 grams of cranberries that I have chopped up finely. And you just mix it all together. So you do need to have the cheese softened somewhat so you can mix it together. Now I'm going to form this into a log. You can form it into a ball. You can just keep it in the bowl as is and have people scoop out some. But I thought it would be nice to have it in the shape of a log. It's nice and festive for holiday get-togethers, Super Bowl, football parties, Christmas parties. You've got the red of the cranberries for Christmas. So then to form it into a log, you take some parchment paper, put your cheese mixture on the parchment paper, and I'm going to taste this for you before. When it's in the parchment paper, you just form it into a log. You can do this beforehand with your hands. I did that yesterday, just formed it with my hands. So there's your log. And put this in the refrigerator for a few hours. I made this yesterday so I could show you the finished product. I'm gonna have to wipe my hands first. And there's your cheese log. It tastes so good. You could have this with pork rinds. I think it would be great on sliced cucumbers. But last night, we had it on our burgers. It was delicious. That's why I didn't want to make it too sweet because I wanted it for my burgers. Again, you can use mascarpone, cream cheese, or my favorite, goat cheese. It's delicious. Everyone will love it.